Position is very important,
Yes,
right?
sir.
You have your position in this class, like you have a label in this class, right? You have a one position in this class. Likewise, everyone has a position in his family.
Include.
What are your hobbies?
I like to listen the music in my free time.
You like to listen
Music.
music. Which kind of music you like to listen? Like love song, sad song, ala udal. Which kind of song? Excuse me. Let her speak.
Arjit Singh sir.
Arjit Singh song.
Yes sir.
Which song is your favorite of Arjit Singh? Which song?
तू सफर मेरा.
Tu safar mera.
This
With my
was
father.
connected with my father.
Okay, very nice. So, do you feel confident after wearing this watch?
Yes sir.
It gives you confidence.
Sir, my father's.
Oh my God, ladies and gentlemen, you can see the picture of our father is, I mean, say please. The picture of our father is mentioning like in your wallpaper, and definitely after like you're doing public speaking, you feel confident after
Yes.
seeing the photo, right? It gives you confidence.
Yes sir.
It gives you motivation.
Yes sir.
Very nice. हम अपनी जान के दुश्मन को अपनी जान कहते हैं.
हम अपनी जान के दुश्मन को अपनी जान कहते हैं.
हम अपनी जान के दुश्मन को अपनी जान कहते हैं.
हम अपनी जान के दुश्मन को अपनी जान कहते हैं.
प्यार से बने इसी मिट्टी को हिंदुस्तान कहते हैं.
प्यार से बनी इस मिट्टी को हिंदुस्तान कहते हैं.
Say with emotion. So, Miss Kajal, are you feeling energetic?
Yes sir.
How are you?
Fine.
Fine. Where are you from?
I am from UP.
You are from UP. How many members do you in your family?
I have 5 members in my family include.
What are your hobbies?
I like to listen the music in my free time.
You like to listen
Music.
music. Which kind of music you like to listen? Like love song, sad song, ala udal. Which kind of song? Excuse me. Let her speak.
Arjit Singh sir.
Arjit Singh song.
Yes sir.
Which song is your favorite of Arjit Singh? Which song?
तू सफर मेरा.
Tu safar mera. Tu safar mera. Right. Apart from listening music, do you have any other hobby?
Yes. Sir repeat.
Apart from listening music, you said you like to listen music, right? So apart from listening music, do you have any other hobby kind of like playing cricket,
Badminton.
badminton? What do you want to become in your life?
I want to become an English speaker.
You want to become English speaker. Okay. So we are doing conversation right now.
Yes sir.
So this is good for English speaking.
Yes sir.
It will help you.
Yes sir.
It will help you to boost your confidence.
Yes sir.
Please clap. So ladies and gentlemen, don't hesitate to come here. Don't be lazy to come here, because to sitting in front of me like this is very good opportunity, because I'm training you. Like if you go for English speaking, in that English speaking class there will be lots of students, like 150 students, and you will not get chance to come and to talk conversation with your teacher. You are less, so you are getting chance to come here and to talk with me, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
this is the biggest opportunity. Don't miss it.
Yes,
And
sir.
always use it. Okay? So Miss Soumya, how are you first of all?
I am fine, sir.
Where are you from?
I am from UP.
So this watch you are just wearing right now, this is your personal watch and I even gifted you.
My personal goal.
You bought this watch by your own self?
Yes, sir.
You bought this watch?
Yes.
Miss Soumya, which kind of feature are you having in this watch? Can you call someone by this watch?
Yes, sir.
Can you call someone?
Yes, sir.
Can you click photos?
Yes, sir. Connect हो जाते हैं.
Connect. I mean to say, there is a connecting feature on this in
Yes,
this
sir.
watch.
Mobile phone.
Mobile phone. It has a feature to connect with mobile phone.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. You can click photos. You can save photos in this watch.
Yes, sir. Sir. पापा के फोन से connect.
English. Yeah, I can
This phone
connect
this
with my
was
father.
connected with my father.
Okay, very nice. So do you feel confident after wearing this watch?
Yes, sir.
It gives you confidence.
Sir, my father's.
Oh my God, ladies and gentlemen, you can see the picture of our father is I mean, say please. The picture of his father is mentioning like in your wallpaper, and definitely after like you're doing public speaking, you feel confident after
Yes.
seeing the photo, right? It gives you confidence.
Yes, sir.
It gives you motivation.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. We all should have one photo of our parents in our pocket, in our wallet, in our books, in anything, in mobile, so that we can, feel confident that yes, I have to do something for my parents. My parents is looking me what I'm doing right now.
Sir, one photo my Wallpaper in mobile phone.
Excuse me, ladies and gentlemen. That's why C is very important. You can see there. Why C is very important, and why C is very confident. This is the reason. C gain confidence by his wallpaper, right? Very nice. You respect your father, right?
Yes.
We all should respect our father. So, Miss Shaumya, what do you want to become in your life?
I want to become a lawyer.
You want to become a lawyer.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. In future, if I will kill someone, I will hire you as a lawyer. So, Miss Isha, how are you?
I am fine.
Really?
Yes, sir.
How many members in your family?
I have 7 members in my family.
What's your father do? Hello, excuse me. What's your father do? He's a farmer, he's a worker, he's a teacher.
My father is farmer.
Okay. And how many members in your family?
I have 7 members.
You have 7 members, right? How many brothers do you have?
I have 2 brothers.
You have 2 brothers, right? So, Miss Nisha, can you tell me what is your hobbies and what you like to do in your free time?
I like to listen the music.
Music, right? Okay, this is the same question I want to ask you. Which kind of music you like to listen? Which kind of music? I mean to say, Aarti, Dehati song,
Arjit Singh.
Bollywood song, Hollywood song,
Arjit Singh.
Arjit Singh song,
Neha
Bollywood
Kakkar.
song, right?
Neha Kakkar.
Okay. Who is your favorite hero?
Favorite hero?
Yeah. No one. Who is your favorite heroine?
No.
No. What is your favorite color?
Black.
Black. Okay. What is your favorite person in your family?
My father and my mother.
Your father and your mother, right? Okay, very nice. So, Mr. Gautam, how are you?
I am fine, sir.
You are fine?
Yes, sir.
First of all, I would like to listen one poetry from you.
Yes, sir.
I would like to listen one sayari from you.
No, sir.
You don't have any sayari? Any motivational sayari do you have so that you can motivate people?
No, sir.
You don't have any?
Not interest.
No in this time.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I am saying repeat with me.
Yes, sir.
Just sit like this. हम अपनी जान के दुश्मन को अपनी जान कहते हैं.
हम अपनी जान के दुश्मन को अपनी जान कहते हैं.
हम अपनी जान के दुश्मन को अपनी जान कहते हैं.
हम अपनी जान के दुश्मन को अपनी जान कहते हैं.
प्यार से बने इसी मिट्टी को हिंदुस्तान कहते हैं.
प्यार से बनी इस मिट्टी को हिंदुस्तान कहते हैं.
Say with emotion. जो दुनिया में सुनाई दे,
जो दुनिया में सुनाई दे,
उसे कहते हैं खामोशी.
उसे कहते हैं खामोशी.
जो दुनिया में सुनाई दे,
जो दुनिया में सुनाई दे,
उसे कहते हैं खामोशी.
उसे कहते हैं खामोशी.
और जो आंखों में दिखाई दे,
और जो आंखों में दिखाई दे,
उसे तूफान कहते हैं.
उसे तूफान कहते हैं.
Give your introduction to the public and let me know where are you from, what is your name, and I mean to say what you want to become and why are you learning English. Please have
Hi,
brief introduction.
good morning. Good morning. My name is Durvesh. I'm from Kanpur, UP, and I am from Google field. So, just a IT field type. So, I want to become a cybersecurity expert, and for this, English is very important. And English spoken is very important for us, and especially for me in this field.
Okay.
So that's all about
Okay. That's how you are learning English.
Yeah.
So, Mr. Durgesh, can you tell me and can you tell those people why you should learn English speaking? Lots of people are watching us, right? Lots of students are watching us. So, what do you want to say those students why they should learn English speaking? Why they should work on their communication skills? Why?
Everybody should be learn English because it is very important language for us in this time.
Okay.
Because this generation is very useful English language
Okay.
for your practice, for your career, for your goal, and for your making personality.
Okay. If one student is doing study at 12th class, okay.
Yeah.
So, would you suggest him to learn English speaking?
Yeah, I will suggest because from base, if you 10th or 12th class,
Okay.
then English is very important because you can achieve your goal for future. Okay, and mostly you can survive with your society.
So this is the thing that I wanted to tell you. Like, if you want to become something in your life, like if you are doing a study at 12th class, so you should start from the scratch. Like, if one student is doing a study at 12th class, So if he will study and if he will prepare for his interview, okay, if he will prepare for the interview, if he will be become at good communication skill, so definitely after that he can go anywhere in any field, in IT sector, in medical sector, and he can create and he can become great and he can achieve the better place in this any field, anything. I think so.
Yeah.
So thing is that what I mean to say, like if you are studying in 12th class, if you are studying in 10th class, if you are doing studying in any class, so thing is that you have to work on your communication skills so that you can tell your opinions on any topic and you can make your position. Position is very important, right?
Yes, sir.
You have your position in this class, like you have a level in this class, right? You have a one position in this class. Likewise, everyone has a position in his family, everyone has a position in his city, everyone has a position in his place, right? Like I have a position in my city that I can talk with anyone. I am a very educated person. I can talk with anyone. I can earn money. I can become successful because I have made my position in my city, right?
Yeah.
Likewise, you can also make your position at your place, at your city, at your family by your speaking. I always tell to the student that express to be impressed. The more you express, the more you impress people
By your communication.
by your communication skill. And second thing is that this is the nara of this coaching. The more you speak, the more you
Shine.
The more you speak, the more you
Sign.
The more you speak, the more you present yourself, the more you shine by yourself.
Yes, sir.
Right?